Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can block ads in Google Chrome. So let's start. So first, open up your Google Chrome and click on the three dots right beside your profile picture. Go to Extensions and go to Visit Chrome Web Store. Now from here, you can simply type Ads Blocker. Click on the first result here. Click on Add to Chrome and click on Add Extension. So you can wait for several seconds, maybe 10 seconds, and it is going to show that the extension is downloading, and it is going to let you know that the extension is now installed in Google Chrome. Now after that, you can close this window, and if you check over here, Ad Blocker is installed in Google Chrome. Alright, so there we have it, guys. This is how you can install Ads Blocker in Google Chrome. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.